Hi guys, welcome to my online tips. In today's video, we have a total of 3 odds for you, a single game. Okay guys, as you know, VIP platform is still on. So if you are interested in getting 5 to 20 odds on daily basis, kindly send me an inbox. I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section and also in the description. Okay, let's move on. Today's game is in Sweden, where they are playing Venska Cup. So we have a prediction between a Rasvet IF versus IK Flanke, and our prediction is both teams to score at half time. Okay, let's select. So if you watch this video till the end, I will post the booking code for those people using um, Sporty Bait. And this game is available in all bookies around the world. Okay, guys, this is the game. Both teams to score at halftime. The odd is 3.21 or 3.20. Okay, that is it. So there is the booking code for this game. The booking code is A9C3C028. Okay, guys, always bet responsibly. Thank you. See you tomorrow in our next video.